Cameron and Bruce are playing the same rugby team, and these are the probability of them getting injured, respectively. So now we want to figure out what the most likely number of injured brothers during the season. So basically that means you need to figure out all the probabilities. So what is the probability of number of injuries? Well, you could have 0 injuries, you could have 1 injury, 2 injury, or everyone can be injured. So you need to figure out each of the probabilities and figure out which one's the most likely one. So let's start with 0 injuries. Probability of 0 injury. Oops. So that means probability of Paul not getting injured. Not Paul, not Cam, not Bruce. So you just got to times all the probabilities. 0.6 times 0.7 times 0.8. So that is 0.336. So that becomes my answer for 0 injuries. Then 1 injury. So you're going to consider each of those people getting injured. So probability when Paul gets injured, but not Cam, not Bruce. And then you've got to also add the other probabilities of maybe Cam getting injured, not Paul, not Bruce, plus the probability of Bruce getting injured, but not Cam and not Paul. So I'm going to write that next here because I'm running out of space. So Paul getting injured, that is 0.4. And then the other ones are at one take. So I'll do the other possibilities. Then 0.3 plus 0.2 times 0.6 times 0.7. So if I put that in the calculator, I get 0.452. Alright, now I've got to do the probability of getting 2 people injured. So that means probability of Paul and Cam, but not Bruce, plus probability of Paul and Bruce, but not Cam, plus probability of Cam and Bruce, not Paul. So I think that's all the probabilities I can think of. Let me just have a quick think. Yep, because everything else is done. Alright, I'm pretty sure that's it, so let's give that one a go. So probability of Paul getting injured, 0.4, and then Cam getting injured, 0.3, and then not beat Bruce, so I've got to do one take, 0.2, and then 0.4 times 0.2 times not Cam, so 0.7, plus 0.3 times 0.2 times 0.6. So I think let's see what that gives us. So I get 0.188. And then last one, probability. Now, if you think about it, they should all add up to 1. So technically, I could just add it all up and take it from 1 and figure out the last probability, because it should add up. But we can try as well. So it should be 0.024, because what I did is one take 0.336, take 0.452, 0.188 and figure that one out. But I'll show you the probability just anyway. So probability of 3 injury is probability of Paul injured, Cam injured, and Bruce injured. So that would be 0.4 times 0.3 times 0.2. That's it. Chuck it in your calculator. Now I get 0.024. Great. So now out of these probabilities, which one is the most likely? Because that's what we're trying to find. Which one's the highest probability? Well, it's this one. So that one is the most likely number of injury. So let's write that in a sentence form. So answer, it's a bit messy, but most likely number of injured brother during season is 1. Done. That's it.